Hello, and welcome to everyone. Is your Wix site loading slowly? It might be your images, not your design. In this video, I'll show you the best image formats for a faster Wix site and higher SEO ranking. Plus, how to convert them instantly using Image Optimizer Pro. Wix is great for building websites fast, but if you're uploading heavy images, your site speed takes a serious hit. Slow load times can hurt your SEO, your bounce rate, and user experience. So, what format should you use on Wix? WebP is your best bet. WebP images are fully supported on Wix, meaning you can upload them just like JPEG or PNG. They load faster because they're smaller in size without sacrificing quality. This helps your Wix site perform better, especially on mobile, and improves SEO by boosting your page speed and core Web Vitals scores. Now here's how to switch your images to WebP without losing quality or wasting time. With the Image Optimizer Pro, you can compress your images in two different ways: manual and automatic compression without losing any quality of your images. In manual compression, just upload images and manually adjust the quality and image format. The automatic compression Image Optimizer Pro system will automatically fetch your product images and will optimize. You just have to confirm this. You can also access more features, like you can again compress the compressed images manually, restore them to your Wix store, can see the optimized history, etc. Optimized images mean better core Web Vitals, faster mobile load times, and higher Google rankings. It's an easy win. So if you're serious about your Wix site speed and SEO, stop uploading bulky images and start optimizing them with tools like Image Optimizer Pro. Click the link below in the description to try Image Optimizer Pro. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next videos.